Exercise 7.1, sum number 8. The radius of a sphere increases by 25%. Find the percentage increases in its surface area. Radius of the sphere increases 25%. So listen here. This is one sphere. Radius is what? R. This is surface for this original surface area of a sphere. What? 4 pi r square units. Right. What they are asking? Increases by 25%. So another one sphere, it will be increased 25%. So ordinarily we are having one r means something, r radius r is there means another one more sphere will be increased by 25%. For example, you are having 100 rupees means 25% profit means ordinary you are having 100 rupees. 25% profit means now what rupees you are having? 20% profit plus 25. So 125 rupees you are having. Ordinary in your packet 100 rupees means 20% profit means in your packet now 125. Ordinary money plus profit money. So 125. The same thing in sphere r is there. Now 25% will be increased. So r plus 20% r. So return increased radius equal to r plus 20%, right? 25 by 100 into r. So r plus 25 into 4 times. So 1 by 4 into r. This 4 will multiply here means 4r plus r. 5r by 4. This is increased radius for the this new sphere, right? So here find the percentage increased in its surface area. We need to find the surface area. What is the increased surface area for this sphere, right? So new sphere, new surface area of the sphere equal to ordinary in formula what? 4 pi, but here r is what? 5r by 4. So 4 pi 5r by 4 square, right? So here r square, here r equal to what? 5r by 4 only. So 5r by 4 whole square. Now 4 pi for this 25 by 16 r square. This 4 times. So 25 pi r square by 4. This is the new radius of the new surface area of the sphere, right? But what they are asking, find the percentage increased. Percentage we need to find. So increased percentage, what we do means new sphere minus original sphere by into 100%. So new increased surface area of sphere original. So this is equal to new is what? 25 pi r square by 4 minus original is what? 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square into 100. Now see here, multiple means 25 pi r square, 4 into 4, 16 pi r square by 4 automatically come to the denominator by 16 pi r square into 100. So 25 minus 16 means what? 25 minus 16, 9 pi r square by 16 pi r square into 100. 4 times 4, 25 times. 25 into 9, 225 by 4, pi r square will be cancelled. 225 by 4. So we divide means 4 5 times 20, 4 6 times means 24, remaining 1. Here we put 0 means point, 4 2 times means 8, 2, again 0 we add means 56.25 we are getting. Divide and all you know very well, do it in the home. So 56.25%. So increased percentage for the surface area, therefore percentage increased in the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of a sphere equal to 56.25%. Right? This is very important, sir. Take down. Thank you.